Have you ever given the 17-second method a shot? If you're not familiar with it, don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the 17-second method is and how it can supercharge your daily manifestation routine. So stick around and let's uncover the magic of this technique together. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, a big hello to you. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's get ready to explore this exciting concept. Alright, so what exactly is the 17-second method? Imagine it as a shortcut to making your dreams come true. It's a simple practice that involves focusing on something you desire for around 17 seconds. And here's the exciting part. Through this practice, you can actually bring your dreams to life faster than you might think. Intrigued? Great! Let's delve deeper. Now, you might be wondering, why 17 seconds? Well, there's a method to this magic. You see, our thoughts are like seeds. When you focus on a thought for a certain amount of time, you're planting that seed in your mind. And guess what? Around the 17-second mark, that seed starts to sprout. It's like lighting the fuse of a firework. You're igniting the power of your thoughts. So, how does this fit into your daily life? Let's say you have a dream or a goal, something that makes your heart race with excitement. Take a moment, close your eyes and think about it. Imagine it as vividly as possible. Feel the emotions, see the details, really immerse yourself in that thought. As you do this, you're starting the 17-second clock. At around this point, your focused thought gains momentum. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering speed as it goes. And guess what? If you manage to keep your focus for another 17 seconds, that's around 34 seconds in total, your thought becomes even more powerful. And if you can stretch it to about 68 seconds, you're giving that thought some serious turbocharge. Now, let's talk practicality. Finding time for this in your day is simpler than you might think. Start small. Choose a quiet moment, maybe when you wake up or before you go to bed. Pick a desire, something that fills you with joy just by thinking about it. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on that desire. Try to reach at least 17 seconds. The 17-second method is like a catalyst for change in people's lives. It's like a secret ingredient that has turned ordinary stories into extraordinary ones. Thousands upon thousands of success stories have emerged, all because of this simple yet potent technique. And today, I'm absolutely thrilled to share a couple of these stories with you, stories that highlight the incredible impact of the 17-second method. Let's dive right into a tale about Emily. Emily was like any of us, with dreams and aspirations that reached for the sky. She had a regular job, but secretly yearned to start her own business. The catch? Fear held her back. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown. But then she stumbled upon the 17-second method. It was like a beacon of hope, and she decided to give it a shot. She visualized her own business, each detail, each step she'd take, and most importantly, she felt the exhilaration of running her own show. Each morning for a month, she dedicated those precious moments to these visualizations. It wasn't just about seeing it. It was about feeling it, the excitement, the satisfaction. And guess what? As she went about her day, something strange began to happen. Her actions started aligning with those visualizations. Opportunities she hadn't noticed before seemed to pop up out of nowhere. It was as though the universe was saying, "Your wish is my command." Emily's journey from fear to her own thriving business was a testament to the power of the 17-second method. Reflecting on my own journey, I must admit I was initially a bit skeptical about this method. I mean, I'd tried my fair share of manifestation techniques, some too lengthy and others too complex. But the 17-second method caught my attention. It felt achievable, almost too good to be true. Could something as short as 17 seconds make a difference? Well, curiosity got the better of me, and I decided to put it to the test. My goal: finding a perfect apartment. Each morning, for just a little over a week, I visualized walking through this ideal apartment, feeling the floors under my feet and the joy of finally finding what I wanted. And then, life played its part. An apartment that ticked all my boxes surfaced in the most unexpected way. It was like a direct response to my visualizations. This experience wasn't just a coincidence. It was a profound lesson in the power of focused intention. What these stories, Emily's and my own, highlight is that the 17-second method isn't just a technique, it's a mindset shift. It's about harnessing the power of your thoughts, however brief, and aligning them with your desires. The essence of this method lies not in the exact count of seconds, but in your faith, your belief that change is possible. So go ahead, give it a shot. It might not take 17 seconds or even 17 days, but it will take your unshakable faith. The universe listens, and when you speak with intention, magic happens. Now, let's delve into the heart of why the specific number 17 seconds holds such significance in the realm of manifestation. You see, this time frame isn't just randomly chosen. It's rooted in the way our minds work and how we connect with our emotions. This time frame serves as a sweet spot for both visualizing and immersing ourselves in the emotions tied to our desires. But here's the kicker. The magic isn't locked in those exact seconds. Even if you spend 5 seconds steeped in genuine belief and emotion, it can set the manifestation wheels in motion. You might wonder, why not longer? Well, the truth is, beyond a certain point, we risk wandering into the realm of doubt. Have you ever noticed that initial excitement can dwindle if you drag out a visualization? It's like a balloon slowly losing air. That's why these brief moments of intense focus and emotion are like power-packed shots of intention. They leave an imprint on your subconscious without giving doubt a chance to sneak in. There's another question that often pops up. How frequently should you practice the 17-second method? Some suggest multiple times a day, which can indeed be effective. However, I've discovered that channeling your energy into one dedicated session can yield remarkable results. It's like focusing sunlight through a magnifying glass. The concentrated energy ignites a spark. This dedicated focus in a single session amplifies the energy you're pouring into your manifestation. Ready to put this method into action? Fantastic! Let's walk through the process step by step. Begin by identifying a desire that ignites excitement and joy within you. It could be anything: a career goal, a dream home, or a loving relationship. Now, find a quiet moment, preferably in the tranquility of the morning. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, centering yourself. Embrace the calmness, allowing yourself to disconnect from the outside noise. Now, visualize your desire with vivid clarity. Picture it as if it's happening right now, as if it's already a reality. Feel the emotions associated with having that desire fulfilled: the joy, the contentment, the sheer happiness. This is where you dive into the heart of those 17 seconds. Immerse yourself in these feelings. And remember, it's not about counting every second. It's about feeling every second. If life happens and you're interrupted, don't fret. Simply restart the process when you can, without dwelling on the distractions. After this visualization, open your eyes, and as you go about your day, you'll notice something, a shift within you. It might be subtle at first, but over time, these shifts accumulate, and you'll see your reality aligning with your desires. As we come to the end of our exploration into the 17-second method, it's clear that this technique isn't just a fleeting trend. It's a transformational tool that has touched countless lives. It's like a hidden gem waiting to be unearthed in the realm of manifestation. Whether those 17 seconds tick by exactly or extend a little, the real magic lies in the depth of your focus and the strength of your belief. Now, here's the exciting part. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried the 17-second method? What were your experiences? Did it bring about the shifts you hoped for? Share your journey with this technique in the comments below. Your stories inspire not only me, but also everyone else on this path of growth and transformation. And if this topic has ignited a spark within you, if you're eager to dive even deeper into the universal laws that shape our reality, I invite you to explore more on my channel. We delve into not only the law of attraction, but also the law of assumption and other powerful universal principles that can revolutionize your understanding of life itself. Before we wrap up, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you, my amazing community. Your support, your engagement, your curiosity, they all mean the world to me. Your journey towards self-discovery and growth matters, and I'm honored to be a part of it. If you found value in this video, remember that a simple thumbs up is like a virtual high five, and sharing it can help others on their own paths. And if you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. That way, you won't miss out on the enlightening content we explore together. So, my friends, let's continue this journey. Let's embrace the power within us and manifest the lives we desire. Thank you for watching, for listening, and for being a part of this incredible community. Until next time, keep believing, keep manifesting, and keep shining your light.